kitchen. We are going to take a recipe from, it's all Greek to me, basically, a recipe from the cook that we just talked about. We're trying out tzatziki. I said it right the first time, right? But it's basically the white sauce that people talk about when they're having a Greek dish. And I mostly have the ingredients ready to go here. We have cucumbers, 2 of them. We have olive oil. We have a little bit of white distilled vinegar. I chopped up the garlic. That's what you smell since we've been in here, right?
Sure.
A little bit of salt. Did I say the olive oil? I can't remember. Sure. And then we took 2.5 cups, according to Gus, and Gus's mom, 2.5 cups of Greek yogurt, and we have been kind of getting the liquid out of it for the last, I came in here at 7 a.m. So it's been about 2 to 3 hours, so we're good there.
You're straining it.
So we are straining it to get the liquid out of it. If you want to do something helpful, it's up to you.
Sure.
The thing that you might want to do is we're just going to I'm going to get you a little bowl. Actually, you can put it right in here. You can squeeze some lemon into our bowl here. Just a little bit of lemon. We'll put that right in. Right? So take one of the lemon, put it in there, right? You got it?
Is this how this works?
It's really fun.
You'll like doing it. Push?
Yeah, just push that in there.
Or squeeze?
Squeeze that lemon.
Sorry. Sorry.
Oh, it's dangerous down here with okay, that's good. But that's plenty. That's plenty. That's plenty.
Okay.
I'm going to
put a big lemon.
I know. It's going to put our Greek yogurt in there, move that out of the way. And it did drain some of the liquid out of there, so that is good. And then the only thing that takes a little bit of doing is, you're going to peel 2 cucumbers and you're going to shred those 2 cucumbers, kind of medium-sized cucumbers. Also, you want to drain some of, I put it in a colander, used a paper towel. According to Gus's mom, you want that to be a little bit less liquid in there. So I did do that. And then we're going to add our olive oil. We're going to add our white distilled vinegar. We're going to add the chopped up garlic, minced, right? That was the thing. That smells so good in here. And we'll just put a little bit of salt in there. There's also pepper in the recipe, but I forgot to bring the pepper. I hope that I do not get haunted from Gus's mom for not bringing the pepper. I just didn't. You know what I mean?
You got about 45 seconds. Can you do it in 45 seconds?
I can do anything in 45 seconds, sure. No problem.
I got my car needs an oil change.
Okay, well, I could do that too. No problem. All right, so this is basically our white sauce. We're going to put, it's pretty well mixed up. Oh gosh, 30 seconds?
Yep.
Okay, that's pretty well mixed up. Come on, how easy was that, right?
30 seconds.
Looks pretty good.
Yeah.
I'm going to put it in this cute little bowl because one of my grandma's things was the presentation is part of the deal. So we're going to put it in this cute bowl that I've got right there. Okay. All good. And look how cute. And I've got my little crackers right here.
Ooh,
and
crackers.
There you go. There is our tzatziki and chips.
Okay, big tzatziki.
Go for it. Ta-da! I hope we did Gus's mom proud. So thank you so much for that interview, and give a shout out to that book. If you need a fun cookbook that's got authentic Greek recipes, this one's for you. We'll be back in just a moment.
Good.
Good? Good?
Today's headlines, tonight's breaking news, and tomorrow's first alert.